The world doesn't end with this one escalating trade dispute, Huawei insists, so here's the Mate 40 series for you. We have the Mate 40 Pro for review, the high-end almost flagship that sits just below the ultimate Mate 40 Pro Plus. We say almost flagship just because there's one better, but the Mate 40 Pro is nothing short of a top-tier handset. Immediately striking is the display, a 6.76-inch OLED that envelops the device's sides, similar to the Mate 30 from last year, but even more extreme. Flip over to the back, and you'll be greeted by a camera arrangement that you haven't seen before, so it turns out distinctive design is still possible. A proper tri-set of cameras sits inside that circle with a 50MP main unit and 5x periscope tele, both coming straight from the P40 Pro, and a new 20MP ultra-wide. That's what you can see. What you won't be able to see is the new Kirin 9000 chipset, the first 5nm SoC for Android. Apple's A14 Bionic inside the iPhone 12 has one. Powering things is a 4400 mAh battery, fairly unimpressive, but that gets charged by a 66W adapter over a cable and up to 50W wirelessly. Those aren't rookie numbers. The Mate 40 Pro's retail box is the same as what we've gotten with previous Mates: black cardboard, golden lettering, red Leica dot on the front. Inside, there's a full set of accessories. A powerful 66-watt adapter, which is still reasonably compact, is included, as is a cable to go with it. Since both pieces use the in-house supercharge technology, you better hold on to them to get the maximum charging speeds. Huawei Mate 40 Pro review: there is a pair of earbuds, too, ending in a USB-C connector. That's the only wired interface on the Mate 40 Pro. There's no USB-C to headphone jack adapter included. A new addition this time is a protective case. It's a basic clear silicone one, but it's thick and provides protection straight out of the box. It also doesn't interfere with the touch operation on the curved display edges, but does rob you of feedback when operating the physical buttons.